Hello, Facebook Live. Jamie and Marcus here.
Good morning, everybody.
Hope everybody's having an awesome morning. Election day, right?
Election day, yes.
Election day, 2020. So I don't know, sometimes people watch these at different times. So Election day 2020.
We're not political, so we won't. That's all we'll say about.
Vote for Aroma Time.
Yeah, vote for Aroma Time for dinner.
Yeah.
That's the vote. Aroma Time for dinner.
That's the vote. Yes.
Vote with your wallet for real, organic, local, sustainable food, craft beverages, things like that. That's the important vote.
Yes.
For your health and for local economies. All right, so we are in the car. We are driving up to the Finger Lakes, and we are going to do our a selection process today to pick a new Pinot Noir for our By the Glass wine list.
Absolutely. We might bring back some bottles of Pinot Noir so that we can have some people be judges and
help us
choose our new house Pinot Noir. So thank you everybody for watching. We appreciate it. Hello, Susan. Thank you. We had a wine dinner last night. It was super successful. It was awesome. Spanish wines. Revisit Spain, where some of the wineries that we had gone to when we were in Spain, and so that was really fun. And the wines were delicious. Some Tempraneos. There was a white Grenache, Amencia, and what was the last one?
Tempranillo Grenache blend.
Yes.
So yeah, four wines.
That was really that was a great dinner. So thank you for everybody who came out to the dinner. Thank you again for your continued support. Marcus and I are really, really appreciative of everybody. So if you're watching us live, if you can put #live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, #replay helps our videos get seen a little bit more. And we also like to know who's watching us. So thanks for that. So we are on our way up to the Finger Lakes. We are about an hour into the drive. There's snow out here. It's kind of crazy that some of the mountains have snow on them. Must have snowed up here a little bit on yesterday, I think, right? Yesterday morning, people woke up.
Yeah,
with
we're
snow.
up past Roscoe on 8617 right now. So we're up there. A bunch of trucks on the other side of the road coming down, like tree service trucks, maybe to come down to
help with the trees.
Help with electric. I think some people are still out of electric in the Hudson Valley. So it looks like a whole big crew of tree people coming down on the other side.
With the trees.
Yep, to help with the trees. I was on a trail yesterday running, and there was a lot of trees down on the rail trail that I was on yesterday. A ton of trees down, like 6, 7, 8 trees down that I had to climb over to keep running. So hope everybody, if you don't have electric, hopefully it's restored very soon. I know some people were saying they were not going to get electric back till 6 o'clock tonight. We are closed tonight. It's Tuesday. Wednesdays we're closed now for the winter at Aroma Time. It's given Jamie and I a really great opportunity to
do things like this.
Yeah.
Hop in the car and go visit wineries that we buy from. It also gives us an opportunity to grow our business and focus on our business. Do a lot of educational things, which most of you probably already know that we are big into growing and learning and making ourselves just better all around.
All around, yep. So we joined 2 mastermind groups on Tuesdays. So I joined a travel mastermind group so it can help grow our travel business to Italy, and we'll probably start doing some trips to the Finger Lakes and things like that. And then I joined a business mastermind. If anybody follows any business gurus out there, I joined the Brad Lee Closer School, his mastermind. He has a program called Lightspeed VT. It's a virtual training platform that he sells to everybody like Tony Robbins. Every one of those guys out there that sell courses basically use Bradley's program, Lightspeed VT. It's a great online learning platform. So if you take any online courses, chances are it's Bradley's program, Lightspeed. So I joined his program, and really some great people on that call.
Oh yeah, some great speakers.
Some great speakers, great content.
Yeah.
very motivational. We're always looking for ways to keep improving our business. We're always looking for new ideas, and so that's one of the ways that we do that, and just tons of inspiration.
Yes, it is.
So, good morning, everybody. I see Gail's on. I can't see everybody else is on.
Let's see who else is on. Mary. Hello, Mary. Hello, Dave. Hello, Lori. Hello, KJ. Hello, Cosmo, Merritt. So if I've forgotten you, I'm sorry. I just can't see everything on the screen. So thank you for watching us. We appreciate it.
So we're on our way to the Finger Lakes. We have appointments set up at a bunch of wineries, and we're specifically we'll taste more than Pinot Noir, but basically we're looking for a new Pinot Noir.
You know, if we don't go to wineries with a mission in mind, we usually leave with lots of different things that we don't necessarily need. So we like to have a specific mission that we're looking for. I think during the summer we were looking for, was it a Gewürztraminer? And so we always like to have some sort of mission of what we're looking for, what we need on our wine list, what we need to add, what we need to bring back to you, our loyal guests, to enjoy from whatever region we're going to. So.
Exactly. So today's mission.
Hello, Mike. Thank you, everybody, for watching. We appreciate it. Go ahead. You were going to say something?
I don't know. Let's see. So Pinot Noirs. We're looking for a new house Pinot Noir. New York grows really great Pinot Noir. Totally different than California. Closer to more Burgundian style, more earth tones. California, if you're a California Pinot Noir drinker, you probably won't drink New York State Pinot Noirs. But Germany grows Pinot Noir. Germany grows some really nice Pinot Noirs, but they really don't export many of their Pinot Noirs. Germany's known for their white exports. So I guess we just turned.
Sure.
Now I'm not sure what's happening.
Rotate your phone.
Well,
we're not really sure what happened here.
Yep, the screen switched on us here, and it appears that I am sideways. So I'm assuming that you're seeing us sideways, and that wasn't our intention. It just happened by chance. But we're, So the bottom line is today, the bottom line is today that we are, well, you can catch us on, here we go. You can catch us on Facebook Live several times today while we're at the vineyard. So follow us. Everybody have a great Tuesday. We will be up in the Finger Lakes here soon. Our first stop is Casa Larga in between Lake Seneca and Rochester. That's our first appointment today, and then tomorrow we have a couple more. So that's the deal. We'll be back. We'll do our wine time live from one of the vineyards today, hopefully. That's the plan, in between some of our calls and stuff, and in between vineyards. So check us out. We'll be back and forth on Facebook Live on and off today, posting and working. So whoever has an amazing day. Jamie, anything else?
That's it. You can't see me.
Can't see you?
No. Let's see. No, I don't know where I went, but
sorry,
all right, everybody. Have a great day.